Is prepping healthy lunches a challenge for you? Look, I totally understand. Hi there, I'm Tori, a registered dietitian nutritionist with Yes Nutrition. And today, I've partnered with my friends at Foxy Produce to share with you one easy solution to making healthy, delicious, on-the-go lunches: salad in a jar. To start, grab a clean glass jar. Quart-sized jars are great for entree-sized salads, and pint-sized jars work well for side salads. I like using wide-mouth jars because they are easier to stuff and easier to pour. Start with your wet ingredients on the bottom, like dressing. Then layer in your heaviest and non-absorbent ingredients first, like firm vegetables, beans, lentils, or chickpeas. Continue to layer with softer or the more least absorbent ingredients next, like any soft fruits, soft vegetables, cheeses, nuts, or seeds. Finish by adding your greens last. Here's how I make my classic Yes Nutrition salad. In one quart-sized jar, add 2 tablespoons of green goddess dressing, a half cup of chickpeas, 1/4 cup of cauliflower florets, 1/2 cup of sliced strawberries, 1 tablespoon of feta cheese, and 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. Then, fill it to the top with your favorite leafy green vegetable. Today, we're using spinach. If you keep the jar upright in your refrigerator, it can last a couple of days, which means you can make multiple salads at one time to enjoy throughout the whole week. Just remember, don't flip the jar over until you're ready to eat it. When you're ready to enjoy the salad, simply unscrew the jar's lid and shake the salad into a bowl. You might need to use your fork to make sure you get all the delicious ingredients out. Then, enjoy. Have you ever made salad in a jar? What did you think? Leave a comment to let me know. Then meet me back here soon for more healthy tips and recipe ideas. Thank you so much for watching.